Hey, have you ever wondered how moving insurance works? Have you ever wondered how moving insurance works? Hey, how are you guys? Beth and Bunny here, bringing you your Monday Moving Minute. Now today, we're hanging out in a parking lot waiting for an appointment, but got inspired by the insurance company right across the street. So we figured we'd tell you a little bit more about moving insurance and how that whole entire thing works. Meanwhile, Bunny's gonna take a little nap while we go a little bit more into moving insurance. Sleep? Come on, man. We just started shooting this. Anyways, she's a little tired. I'm sorry. How many of you guys have ever wondered about moving insurance and how that whole entire thing works? Well, a little while ago, Bunny and I drove past an insurance company, and I figured that would be the perfect topic to today's Monday Moving Minute. Moving insurance and how it all works. Now, before we start talking moving insurance, we totally need to talk about your movers first, okay? So you need to make sure that your mover's credentialing is legit, okay? And there are plenty of tools and resources available for you to be able to do that. My favorite is going directly to the source, which is the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website. On their site, they give you a great lookup feature where you can check your movers by either the company name or their license number to see whether or not their license is valid or not. And if it's not valid, run away. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Anyways, but if you want that link to the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles' site, it's down below in my show notes. Plus, at the end of this video, I'll give you a quick little tutorial on how to navigate through their site as well to be able to search for movers. You've chosen your legit moving company. Yay! Now it's time to choose the different protection option you want to go with. Remember, you have complete control over your move, so decide what option works best for you. Option number 1 is standard valuation. Now, standard valuation comes with every move free of charge, and that rate is set through the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles. They say that you have to provide your customers some sort of compensation free of charge with every move, and they set that rate. That rate is set at 60 cents per pound per article, which means that if you have your dining room table that weighs 100 pounds, should it get damaged during your move, then your mover's liability is only $60. And I know you say that that doesn't sound very, very fair, but at least it holds the moving company liable for some sort of repair value versus a full replacement value. Make sense? Now that you know a little bit more about your standard valuation, the next option is full coverage insurance. Now, full coverage insurance is nice because it gives you the option to either insure one item that you totally love, or it gives you the option to do your entire household. Either way, all you have to do is determine a value and a deductible, and based on those factors, they'll determine a premium. Now, some moving companies choose to sell that moving insurance. Did you guys just see her? She is in that back window. I am officially that lady who's driving around with her dog in the back window of her car. That's me. Anyways, so full coverage insurance, some moving companies choose to sell that insurance in-house, while others go through a third-party company. In our case, we like to go through a third-party company called movinginsurance.com. I actually have a link to their site directly below if you want to check them out. They're great, and they make insurance purchasing very, very easy. But I will tell you that I am proud to say that our damage claim ratio is less than 1%, so our customers seldom have to take out this additional insurance because we give all the necessary tools and equipment in order to be able to help safely get your move taken care of. Shameless plug. I'm getting distracted because I'm trying to pay attention and drive and give you guys some great packing, moving, and organizing tips. Anyways, Bunny, I'm sorry to be scaring you. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. I'm driving good today. So my final option number 3. Shh. It's actually kind of a little secret, but it's a great cost-saving tip during your move. Check with your homeowners or your renter's policy, because sometimes they do extend out coverage to your move as well. It could be another great way just to save some extra money and make moving stress-free. Either way, just remember that it's really, really important to do your homework when choosing a moving company and ask all the necessary questions. One of the things that the moving company does have to provide all of their customers customers is their rights and responsibilities when you move in Texas. Now, this brochure gives you a breakdown of all the necessary information that you need to know. Plus, it's also on the DMV's website. We're about to exit, buddy. All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Monday Moving Minute. We hope that you had as much fun and found as much value in this video as we thought we were giving you. So either way, subscribe below or like and share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Take care. Okay, this girl is like standing up like a meerkat. Okay, do you see her? She's like standing like a meerkat. She's such a funny dog. You're so funny. Here's a quick video that will help navigate you through the DMV's website. Go to txdmv.gov and click on Motor Carriers. Scroll down, and on the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see an icon that says Motor Carrier Lookup. Click on it. Now, in this lookup, it's going to allow you to be able to search by the moving company's name or their license number. Type in their name and click Search. Once you've clicked search, it'll populate a report for you to where you can go in there and be able to check the moving company of your choice's credentials. It'll give you an abundant amount of information, like their certificate number and its expiration date. It'll give you their registration period and whether or not they're authorized, their mailing address, and their physical address, along with a bunch of other information that you're going to absolutely love, like their certificate or their insurance, vehicles, and much, much more. This is just another way to help you towards a stress-free move.